Hello guys. In this video, I will show you how to deposit USDC to Vault on Hyperliquid. First, let's go to app.hyperliquid.xyz website. We are on the Hyperliquid trading platform. Before we start, keep in mind that you need USDC in the perps account on the platform to deposit them. Okay, let's start. First, you need to click on the Vaults section. Here, we need to choose the vault. I will go with Hyperliquidity Provider because this is the official vault created by Hyperliquid team. On the vault page, click Deposit. Let's put the amount of USDC we want to deposit, and click the button. Remember that minimal deposit amount is 10 USDC and lockup period is 4 days. As you can see, USDC has been deposited with success. Okay, so now if you want to get back your USDC, click on Withdraw button. Here the amount and click Withdraw. In my example, the lockup period has not ended, so I'm not able to do that. If this would be available, I will click on the button and I will have back my USDC tokens. And that's all. Now you are ready to explore vaults on Hyperliquid. By the way, if you want to trade on Hyperliquid with discount on fees, check link in the description. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.